Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the Easter egg hunt locations on Dressing Room Press. So I'm just going to cruise around the lobby and then I'll go back to the dressing rooms once I've done this. So the first one is behind the leaderboard here. Then the second one you can find on top of this plant right here. The third one you can find behind the podium right here. I might forget some, so don't get mad. You'll also find one like here. You'll also find one at the end of the obby. I think I'm just going to restart it because I can't do this obby. So I don't think there is one here. Then there's this blue one here near the like flowers. So here. I think there's also a green one here next to the tree. Next to this super tall tree. I'm just gonna walk slowly for you guys. There's also one here. So press that. And then there's one here under the chair. There is one pink one next to that. There's one in the like lamp. You kind of have to get close to it and like look up and look into the lamp and click it here. There we go. It is a little bit tedious. There's one there, and then there's going to be a few here. As you can see, there is this green one. There's also this pink one here. There's this blue one next to the tree here. There's none in there, so just saying. There's one gold one here. There's one pink one here. There's one green one here too. There's one purple one next to this big rock. So that was there. I hope you guys are clear on where everything was just now. There's one purple one here. Get really close to it. It is a little bit difficult to press. Oh, there we go. Sorry. So that was like near this lamp here next to this pillar. There's one purple one here as well. There's one on the fountain here. Oh, there's one here too, like behind the like flowers. It's like near this tree and it's facing that way. There's one at the end of the obby, and that is the last one on the lobby, like last egg. So in the dressing rooms, there's one over here next to the like flower vase. And then we have one behind these jeans here. Kind of go behind it and look down to press it. Then under this table here, we have one. We have one above the like shoe shelves here. We have one next to the pillar right here. We have one under Lana's desk here. And we have one here next to the pillar. And the last Easter egg is here. Yay! You unlocked the bunny hop pose. So this is what the bunny hop pose looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.